Panduit stands at the forefront of broadband expansion, driving innovation to ensure seamless connectivity in cities and rural areas throughout the United States. Panduit is expanding its outside portfolio into fiber to the home with the fiber drop cable assembly, multi-port service terminal, and pedestal. This solution is tailored for residential and commercial settings, where fast and stable internet service is a must. Say goodbye to complex installations. With Panduit's drop cable and MST, it's all about efficiency and reliability. Invest confidently in your network's future with Panduit Broadband Outside Plant Solutions. We are where you want broadband to go. For more information about Panduit Fiber to the Home products, visit panduit.com/FTTH.